Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Down at the record shop Saturday noon, and U45 and a familiar tune, straight from Jamaica spinning around. That was the rhythm, that was our sound. Short hair and sideburns, polished boots, smart button downs and working class roots. Out on the streets when the weekend came, we had our music, we knew its name. The sound of 69, that rhythm still sounds fine. Bass rolling deep, and the guitar keeping time. The sound of 69, those records still survive. Drop that needle down, and the old sound comes alive. Woo! Friday was working, Saturday was ours. Records and dancing for a couple of hours. Girls dressed sharp and the boys dressed clean. Best looking crowd that you'd ever seen. ROCKSTEADY playing reggae, coming strong. Organ and bass carrying every song. No need for fashion, no need to pretend. Just one more record before the night would end. The sound of 69, that rhythm still sounds fine. Bass rolling deep, and the guitar keeping time. The sound of 69, those records still survive. Drop that needle down, and the old sound comes alive. Turn it over, play the other side. Another little record, another Saturday night. From Kingston town to the streets we knew, that Jamaican rhythm came rolling through. The sound of 69, that rhythm still sounds fine. Bass rolling deep, and the guitar